Designed for precision. Built for extreme range. Trusted by modern forces.
The M110A1 provides extreme long-range accuracy and terrifying power for any enemy in its sights.
Hello. Today I'm standing in front of one of the most secretive sniper rifle factories in the world. Inside this facility, high-precision long-range rifles are manufactured.
With the new automated system, we can now process incoming steel beams with unparalleled efficiency and precision.
The spectrometer results are back for the 304 alloy.
From the metallic rain falling into moving bins to the precise work of the technicians, this facility
The stamping line operates with relentless precision, feeding newly formed casings onto the belt.
From machining to anodizing, every step is meticulously controlled to ensure peak performance and a seamless transition to the assembly line.
All pallets secured in aisle 4.
Confirmed. Moving to the next sequence.
We're showing a slight anomaly on line 3, adjusting the throughput by 5%. Monitor the stability.
Pay close attention to the cutaway model. This is the gas piston system. Ensuring it's clear during reassembly is critical for reliable function.
Impact! Confirmed, right in the center.
Here are the M110A1s, Captain. All units accounted for.
Received, Sergeant. I'll sign for him now.
With extreme long-range accuracy, the M110A1 brings terrifying power to bear on any enemy in its sights.